The last two integrated developments in Singapore has achieved unprecedented results, allowing the first buyers who bought at the early stage of the launch to make up to $300,000 in paper gain in just a few months. And these two developments are Pasir Ris 8 and Canning Hill Piers. Today we're going to dive deep and explore exactly how much money these people have made as an early buyer who bought into the launch in day one. So the one thing that most property buyers have in common is that they like to look at this thing called the last transacted price, because it's a given that sellers naturally want to sell at the highest price, but buyers might not necessarily be willing to pay the highest price. So buyers usually like to look at the last transacted price to determine whether or not the sellers is asking for a fair price. So to identify the amount of paper gains that these people have made from day one, we need to first understand what was the last transacted price for similar units within the condo. The lowest ever transacted price for one bedroom over there is about $842,000. But over the course of 1 month, the price went up to about $992,000. And looking at the 2-bedroom unit at Pasir Ris 8, you can see the lowest transacted price over there in the development is at $1.092 million. And the highest ever transacted was about $1.585 million, and this also happened within a span of just 1 month. And now looking at the 3-bedroom unit, the lowest transacted unit was about $1.84 million, and the highest transacted is about $2.1 million. And likewise for the 4-bedroom unit, the lowest transacted price in the development was about $1.846 million, and the highest transacted is about $2.7 million. And this would technically help the first batch of buyers to make this amount of profits, because down the road, when a future buyer is considering to buy over this property, they will be looking at the last transacted, which was already done at a much higher price. So now let's explore Canning Hill Piers, which done tremendously well, 75% of sales in day one. Now let's look at the amount of paper gains that the first batch of buyers have actually made. So you can see over here, the cheapest transaction for the 1-bedroom unit is about $1.16 million, and the highest ever transacted for the 1-bedroom is about $1.75 million. And for the 2-bedroom unit, the lowest ever transacted was $2.16 million, and the highest ever transacted was about $2.688 million. And for the 3-bedroom, the cheapest ever transacted unit was about $2.744 million, and the highest transacted was about $4.021 million. So from these two examples, you can see that Singaporeans not only love integrated developments, the developers also managed to increase the selling price of the similar type of units to help the first batch of buyers to make a paper gain. So I hope this video gives you a much clearer insights as to how well the integrated developments in Singapore are performing, considering the rarity of these condos. So if there's anything else you'd like me to analyze, do get in touch with me. If not, I will see you in the next video, and stay safe.